Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat. In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Among Us Android without signing into account. So let's get into the video. First thing I will show you the app which I am using is the latest version which I have downloaded. So I'm going to show that on Play Store. So here you can see it is the latest version which I have. So I'm going to open that. So let's try to sign in now. Anyway, it doesn't work, you know that. So it is not working, but we can use the random names whichever we want. So what do we do now is let's close this and I'll try to uninstall this app. Now here I am going to open Chrome browser and type Among Us old version and hit on enter. Now open the first link which we got. It's up to down. So here don't download the first two versions, go for third version 21.3.5 which helps us to change our name. So click on download. So we have to wait until the download gets finished. I'm going to fast forward it. So after completion of download, click on it and install it. So I'm going to open it now. So you need to agree the conditions and select your date of birth. You can use free chat here because this is the older version. Okay, it's done. Now let's change the name. Now let's go. So you can see the name has been saved. Now I'm going to close this. Now let's go to Play Store and search for Among Us. Now I will try to update from here. So this may take time based on your internet. I'm going to fast forward this. So download is finished. It's trying to install. Now let's open the app. Now this is the latest version. You can see that 21.3.31.3a. It is the latest updated version. Now we have saved the date of birth from previous version, so it is same. Now let's go online. You can see the name as Venkat YT. Let's try to sign in now. So it doesn't work, we know that, but your name will be saved from previous version, so don't try to change it now. If you change that, if you want the name back again, you need to go for this process again. Let's try to join one of the public groups. So it's full. Let's try airship now. So I will join this. So you can see you can able to join, and I got the name as my name Venkat YT. So this is it guys. This is the procedure to change your name without signing into account. And also if you would love to join on Among Us Live, you should check our channel Lead the Life, where I will be doing regular streams on Among Us. See you in the next video guys. Until then, bye bye.